Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this video, I will show you how to fix iPhone that's not able to make calls in iOS 18. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix your problem, then simply swipe down to your control center and turn on or off airplane mode 2 to 3 times. The another way to enable and disable aeroplane mode is open settings, and here you can see the option aeroplane mode. Here you can enable and disable aeroplane mode. After enable and disable aeroplane mode, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, the last option to fix your problem is open settings and then click on general, and now scroll down in last and now click on transfer or reset iPhone and then click on reset, and in second you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on reset network settings and here enter your passcode to reset all the network settings, and here you can see the reset network settings option. It will be confirmed to reset all your network settings but never destroy any other data like photos, videos and other data. It can only reset the network settings. So this is the way to fix iPhone that's not able to make calls in iOS 18. Thanks for watching this video.